I was scared before I met you. But the moment I saw you for the first time, I knew it was game over. I would love you forever. I knew I would stand by your side no matter what. I knew that I would give up everything to make your life better. I knew that every moment of pain for you would be a moment of pain for me. I knew I would be your guide, your example, your standard in this world for what it means to be a man. See, but what I didn't know was just how much this world would test us. I didn't know how strong you were. I didn't know how I needed you just as much as you needed me. I didn't know how much better you would make me. The good, the bad. There's nothing I would change if it meant you weren't my son. And all I want in this world is for a piece of me to carry on with you.